Hey guys, just one more video and I will leave you alone. This is basically how to fill the Soul atomizer from the top. All you need to do is remove your top cap, close the airflow, and fill it from the top. And then open the airflow. That is it.